to the table.
Stay strong, stay strong.
To the table, to the table. Ain't easy, I can tell.
Gotta stay strong, stay strong. Stay strong, stay strong.
Ain't easy, I can tell.
Gotta stay strong, stay strong.
All the protective equipment that I wear did its job. The Arai helmet, you know, it held up during the crash because it's pretty hard crash, so the strength of the helmet really came into play, and then the key features of it being round and it just glancing off, so I didn't really hit my head that hard. Just kind of skipped across, but luckily I had some speed and wasn't slow, so nothing caught, so I'm thankful for that. I kind of, everything ejected, so I had to pick up as many pieces as possible on the way in, so we didn't leave anything out there that was important. Bike, hopefully we can get the bike back together. Hunter Dunham, I race Stock 1000 and Superbike Cup, and we're here at Laguna Seca.